Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar. This is Wednesday, and Wish Wednesday, guys. This is your day. You have wished for songs, and I've read your wishes. And this time I brought up Braden Ross. This song is called Watch You Sleep, and it's you, Retro Bites, who wished for this song. So welcome to this channel, Retro Bites. I believe you've been here before. I recognize your name, I believe. Cool name, by the way. Anyway, Braden Ross, Watch You Sleep. This is the song we're going to focus on. So hope you will be happy with that, and all you Ross fans out there. As you can see, capo on second, absolute best scenario for us. If you think of what we need to handle here, a couple of easy chords, but also this picking pattern. So capo, put that on there on second, and let's do the two chords we need to use here. And when it comes to the strumming, it's very simple, grips. So we're gonna start with the A7 sus2. So you have all strings open there, the A, the G, the B, and the open high E. But then you need to push down the second fret D string, okay? So 5 strings used for this chord. You only need to care about this second fret D string to push that down, and you don't play that open E string in the bass. So that is the A7 sus2. Okay, and then the second and final chord is the F major 7 sus2. And that will be third on D, open G, first B, and open high E. Okay, so there you have the two chords. Now let's go into this intro, we can say, and what you're gonna play here is the two chords, the A7 and F major 7. So the A7 first, you're gonna play 2 downs. Like that. That's it. And then you shift to the F major 7 and play down, 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 up, down, up, down. Like this. Okay, so that is one round. So again, A7, just 2 downs. A long break there, and then down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, down. You just play like that. So one round is down, down on A7, and then F major, down, 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 up, down on the F major 7. So you're going to play that for 4 rounds. So I'm going to give you a couple of rounds for you to understand how it's done. Let's go. If you want, you can also mute after that A7, because it's a long break, and I think it's pretty much muted in the original song, so it goes like this. Or something like that, and then... It's up to you if you want to ring it out or not. Yeah, that's just some technical stuff, but that is how you play it. That is the intro. Then starts the first verse, I believe around 27-second mark into the song. And now we're going to play a picking pattern based upon 5 different grips or chords. And yes, we're going to go and start with that A7 grip. You just hold that second fret D string. And you're going to play this part for 2 times, okay? So you play 2 times on the open A string, then open B, then second D, then open A, and open B. That is 1 round. So slowly like this. I use my thumb here for the bass note on the A string, and then finger of your choice. I use my middle finger on this melody strings down there. Okay, so 2 rounds like this. Okay, then you go into this A7, but now we're gonna use a new bass note, the G note. That is pretty much the A7/G. and doesn't matter that much. The more important is the grip. So you just keep that second fret D string there with the mid finger. That is why I suggest you hold it with. And then I go with my ring finger on the third fret E string in the bass. The pattern is exactly the same now. You just switch out that third fret E string in the bass. So you don't play that open A. Third E is the new bass, and it goes like this. 2 rounds as well. So again, I'm gonna go over it 2 times on the third fret E string, then open B, second D, third E, and open B. So 2 rounds of that. And then we have that still second fret D string on the next grip. Now you switch out that third fret E string in the bass with this first fret on the E string in the bass. So that's the new bass note. Same pattern. Sounds like this. For 2 rounds. So 2 times on the first fret E string in the bass. Then open B, second D, first E, and open B. For 2 rounds. So then you go back to G. You play that before this A7 G for 1 round only. So that is the third fret E string now with the new bass note. And finally, you stretch out to the G sharp. That means you're gonna play the 4th fret E string. I use my little pinky for that, a little bit stretchy. And throughout this melody, I keep that mid finger on the 2nd fret D string. Now this final time, we're gonna play 1 round with this G sharp note, 4th fret E string. And it goes the same pattern like this. So that will be 4th fret E string 2 times, open B, second D, 4th E, and open B. And all that considered 1 chord progression round. You're gonna play 6 rounds for your first verse. Slowly, 1 round goes like this. Tempo. And so on. 6 rounds, and yes, then comes this first chorus, and it reminds you of that intro. We hit now the 1 minute and 43 second mark. Now instead you're gonna start with the F major 7 grip. Okay, so that is the starting chord now, and you're gonna play the same starting pattern you played in the intro. So that means down, 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 up, down, up, down. And then you go over to the A7 and play down, down. The same string patterns, you just switch the order of it. So you're going to start with F major and then A7. You're going to do that for 4 rounds. So again. That is 1 round, and then again. Second round, and then 3rd round. Ring it out or not, it's up to you. You do that for 4 times. Then you go back to this second verse and play exactly the same, but only for 4 rounds, not 6 as you played in the first one. 4 rounds only of that picking pattern. And then finally you go into this second chorus, and that will be how this song ends. Now a completely different strumming pattern for the F major chord. So you're gonna play like this. For 2 times, okay? So down, down, up, down, up. A very common strumming pattern. So down, down, up, down, up. And then you play A7 in the same way with 2 downs. So down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. Four times of that, and my friends, and especially you, Retrobites, you managed to play Braden Ross song called Watch You Sleep. Okay, Great choice there, thank you. And only 2 chords. You have that mix with the picking pattern, and it's pretty much the same, this pattern. Once you get the first chord, I mean, it's just to switch bass notes. It's very simple. So yeah, give it a try. I hope you enjoyed the retro bites, and all you Braden Ross fans out there, and continue to wish here on this channel. Imagine you can get whatever song you want, pretty much. There are almost no limits when it comes to the guitar. You can always kind of perform it in your way, even if you don't play exactly the same sound as in the original song. You can always translate it into a guitar cover, your choice, and play for friends on a wedding and whatever, wherever you want to play it. So yes, continue to wish here. I read all your comments, and I pick out 1 or 2 every Wednesday. So be back. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.